Today at MASGAMES we are going to show you how to assemble the Tolosa picnic table. Make sure to join the wooden pieces with the same number as shown. Insert the screw on the side that does not have the number marked. Tighten the nuts gently. This will make it easier to adjust the table. Repeat the process with the parts marked with the number 2. Join each set of legs to the tabletop, making sure the numbers match. All the nuts should be on the inner side of the table. Firmly tighten the screws that we have placed. Attach the benches to the legs and make sure the legs are completely vertical. Screw the diagonal braces to the beam and the tabletop. Screw E is the one that corresponds to the tabletop. If you screw in D instead of E, it will stick out through the tabletop.